What up guys, it's Nicole and today I've done this little colourful look, mainly using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. It took a bit of time, but it's so nice. I know it's not anything crazy, but still it was so fun to do, so nice to do something more colourful, and yeah, if you want to see this look, just keep on watching. Okay, I'm gonna start off with priming my face like I usually do. I'm using the Primer Original by Australis. So first off, what I'm gonna do is get my concealer. This one on the inner corner. Just there. Now I'm going to go in with orange, which is this one, just here. Now I'm going to go in with this yellow. And now I'm going to go in with the green. Go in with probably this blue. And last but not least, I'm gonna go in with this purple here. Now I'm going to take a brush that doesn't have anything on it and start blending this out. I'm just going to repack that yellow because I feel like it needs to be in there a bit more. I'm just repacking some of these colours on just to make them stand. I'm sort of just winging this part, so let's hope it works. So I'd like it to look nice. Okay, with the little brush, I'm just going to go over the colours just there. I think pack white. Okay, I finally got the other eye done. I know it's not like anything crazy, but I'm liking it. Hopefully once I put like mascara on and the rest of my base on, it will look okay. Obviously I feel like it would look so much more better with eyeliner, but we know I can't do eyeliner, so I'm gonna leave it without. So for base today, I think I'm just gonna go with the Fenty Beauty with the shade 110. Make sure my beauty blender is damp. Just Now if you don't have this foundation but looking at it, all I have to say is work in sections. This crap dries down so fast that, yeah, your work in sections is going to be a lot better for you. Now I'm just going in with my normal Shape Tape concealer. Okay, I'm just going to fix up that blue because I feel like it's just disappeared. Now I'm just going to quickly set my face. Really pack it on in here. Just go in with a tiny bit of purple just on the lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the butter bronzer and just warm up my face. With the blush, I'm going to use NARS. The NARS Duo in Hot Sand and Orgasm. I feel like everything looks nice but the purples. For some reason the purple just is not, for me, blending in as nicely, and I'm not too sure why. Now to go in with mascara. Festival by Tarte. And to highlight, I'm going in with Miriam, the Desi and Katie one. Sorry. Oh, that might be too dark for me. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. All those would mean the world to me. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys next time.